state constitution, which I printed out here. And briefly, I do have a general concern that, and part of it, which I appreciate, was Councilmember Ryder bringing up the MTAS information, because that is an organization that, it's a state organization. It's not a city organization. It's, they're not there to do what we have asked. They're there to provide competent, neutral advice to local governments, and the county has their own version of it, CTAS. But I believe that once cities such as Knoxville have become home rule municipalities and have gone through that process, that legislation like this might be contrary to Article 11, Section 9 of the state constitution. Also, I'd like to, Mr. Swanson said, we've had a system in place for over half a century. It has not been challenged in court. I've heard for weeks now that the rumor was that it was unconstitutional. Until a person dressed in black, a judge, determines that it's not that it is not constitutional, it's an opinion. And everybody has, it's like elbows. Everybody has two elbows and has at least two opinions on the same subject. So we have something that's in place that has worked. As everybody up here at least knows, when I served on city council, I was working and campaigning on an at-large basis, even though I was running for the district. When you're running for office, as Councilmember Parker alluded to, you are limited in time and resources. If you represent, for example, a district in Marion County, you're not going to go and campaign in an adjoining county in the district that's not on the ballot. Through campaigning, you meet and you find out what is important in all the other districts in the city, and you create bonds and relationships where you have knowledge when those issues come up, and you know how people feel, and you know who to contact to discuss. So, taking a little personal privilege there, those are my thoughts.
Thank you. I want to just take a moment